Is wholesaling real estate oversaturated? I mean, who should start it? Who shouldn't? And if you're new to the business, is it even worth getting started? So wholesaling or flipping houses, you guys know it's become increasingly popular over the last 10 years. And it's especially enticing because with wholesaling, you don't have to actually buy or own these properties. You don't have to take on any risk, and you can do deals with absolutely no money because you're essentially just flipping the paper, aka the contract. Meaning, you're selling your rights to the property, your rights to purchase the property. It can be done completely virtually from the comfort of your home, and it can be incredibly lucrative, right? With just one very average deal netting you over $10,000 in profit. Now, for those reasons, and because there's more information available than ever, particularly across social media, a lot more people are interested in getting into the wholesaling game. So to the wholesalers out there who might be intimidated or doubtful about your ability to compete in the marketplace, here's my response. Every semester, thousands of colleges and universities graduate hundreds of thousands of doctors and lawyers, and we never hear anybody say that those industries are saturated. And I bet that you can name multiple doctors and lawyers in your network. Let me ask you this. How many full-time wholesalers can you actually name that have been in the business for several years? This industry is full of a lot of dabblers, people who will try it, but they treat it more like a hobby than a business. And for that reason, there's kind of a big drop-off rate. There really are not that many wholesalers out there, especially relative to other professions. But here's what's even more important. This is an advantage that's very unique to wholesaling. So if we look at those other professions, let's use lawyers as an example. If you're a lawyer and a potential client chooses to go with another lawyer, you've lost that business. But in contrast, wholesaling lends itself extremely well to collaboration over competition. Here's what I mean. If you get a deal under contract, another wholesaler can bring you a buyer and you guys can split the profit on that deal. If another wholesaler has a deal, you haven't lost out on the ability to profit from it, as you can bring a buyer and you guys joint venture. And this leads to some great relationships where you'll do exponentially more deals with your JV partners over time. Now, at this point in my career, having been in the business since 2012, I have a very solid and established buyers list. And I'm also subscribed to every wholesaler's buyers list in the markets where I do business. So every day, as a part of my daily routine, I browse through other wholesalers' deals. And I keep this in a separate inbox, by the way, which is number one, it's important for intel so I can see which types of deals are popular and which ones are not. But I'm also looking for JV potential, JV opportunities. So during my quick, 5-minute scroll, there are times where I come across a property and I'll say, oh, hey, this would be perfect for Chris, one of my buyers. And if the wholesaler is open to JVing, and many are due to the strict time constraints we operate under, I can literally make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 by simply sending a text message, forwarding an email without the time, the effort, or the marketing expenses associated with that acquisition. And here's the final point I want to make on this. Yes, I want you striving for as many deals as you can do every month. But keep in mind that the average student that comes to me is currently making less than 6 figures a month. So the first milestone I actually set for them is to get them past that 6-figure income earning mark, which if you break it down, that's just one deal a month, one deal for 10 out of the 12 months. You can even miss 2. Now, of the millions of properties nationwide, even if there were this high level of competition, if you hone your skill set correctly, meaning, you know how to pull the list, you know how to build rapport, you know how to negotiate, and you have a real wholesaling system in place, meaning, you're not out here just winging it, you can always find one deal a month. I mean, just one puts you past that 6-figure mark. And in addition, remember that inventory is truly unlimited. We're looking for motivated sellers. And new motivated sellers come onto the market every single day. There are new listings coming onto the MLS every single day. There are properties that fall out of contract and come back onto the market every day. People go through foreclosure every day. People get divorced every day. People inherit properties every day. People evict tenants every single day. Fires, natural disasters, all kinds of things happen. And there's new inventory every single day. So the purpose of making this video is really just to provide you guys with some encouragement Don't listen to the naysayers. There's competition in any and every business. Wholesaling is no different, but it's far from oversaturated. Now, if you dabble, you probably won't make it. But if you make that commitment, which I'm strongly encouraging you to do, you won't regret it. You can live a life without that ceiling on your income. You start a career that opens the doors to other areas of real estate investing. Fire your boss, work from home, and you have complete control over your time. Now, if you need some help on this journey, whether you're interested in just doing some joint venture business, let's make some money together, we'll do some deals together, or you need more hands-on help in the form of coaching or mentorship, just give me a shout. My contact details are in the description below. You can email me, you can hit me on social media, or if you're quick with it, you can grab one of those free weekly one-on-one calls. We'll chat for about 45 minutes. You guys will really enjoy that, right? But I want to thank you so much again for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe. Really helps me out, helps the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you hit the notifications so you don't miss another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right? Peace.